It's not my fault. These tools have been available for us to use. So who am I? Who am I not to use them? Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video that you did not ask me to do, but I am going to do it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're watching me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace and I do anything that comes to my head. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys logo motion designing. Yes, I know motion designers are not going to be happy with this video, but it's not my fault. It's not my fault. These tools have been available for us to use. So who am I? Who am I not to use them? So guys, let's get right into the video. Yeah. First things first, you open your ChatGPT. We are not nice here. Open your ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Google Gemini, right? But just follow my own step so that you do not sakpagilori, your head will not scatter. Just do it step by step. I'm going to upload. Already you have your logo, whatever logo that you want to animate. You already have them on your PC, on your phone or anything. So I'm going to upload my own logo, right? Let me upload this particular one. So, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT. You know, I said you should talk, but it's just very short things. But just say, make a 3D, let me put it in capital letter, 3D version of this logo. Enter. So make a 3D version of this logo. Let's see what it's going to create. So it has created the logo now, right? So next thing we want to talk, because we don't know anything. All of us, we are loaded on this channel. Even me that is teaching you people self, nothing dey the head, right? So we want to tell ChatGPT to give us prompts. So you're going to talk. So let's go. Hi ChatGPT, so I want you to give me different variation, angles, axes, different effects to create logo animation. You wait, right? Let it process that. So heroes font, it created the font, the orbit rotation, camera rotate, blah blah blah, the effect, variation, motion. So pro tips. So you now said if you want next level, I can generate 10 exact prompts for these are the runway, picker, Sora style tools. So but let's just go ahead and tell it. Thank you so much ChatGPT. So I want you to give me 10 prompts I can use to create logo animation. 10 using these whole variations that you've created. You see, thank you, because all of us, we don't know anything. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us the prompt. So let's hold on for that. The reason is bringing Giver Tech Kreations because this is my ChatGPT, so he already knows stuff about me. So that's why he's writing the Giver Tech logo appearing, whatever. This is my ChatGPT. I don't need to teach you guys how to train your ChatGPT to know stuff about you, know your business. Even asking me to upgrade, but I'm not going to upgrade. all of us don't have money, so we will not upgrade. Okay, so we'll go over to Grok, and next thing we want to do is to click on imagine, right? Then we'll upload. Oh, it has already uploaded though. So sorry, it has uploaded. We'll copy the prompt. Let's just copy one prompt. So let's copy this one. A 3D. This one has okay, y-axis. Let me copy this 360 rotation. Right. So let's paste it here. The 3D. Let me remove this. The 3D. So let's wait for that to generate. It's processing. Oh. So good. And somebody will tell me that AI is not sweet. AI is sweet. See, AI is sweet. So imagine you create a beautiful video, and then at the end of the video, you just add something like this: give a tech creation, recreating the world of AI. Try. Let's do another one. So let's do the logo. The logo dropping from above and landing with a subtle bounce, realistic, whatever, whatever, shake, cinematic 4K. So let's see. If I'm going to do plenty safe, I'm going to do plenty. I'm just showing you guys that these things are very, very easy to do. This one distorted the logo. Ah! Wait, let's redo this one. Let me say maintaining the exact 3D logo. Make it so let's see. See, because I did not put the maintaining the exact logo. You see that this thing is so sensitive. The way we women, we are very sensitive. That's how AI loves, just give it the right word. The 3D logo appearing first as glowing, so like that. So it's creating. Let's wait. Oh, this is it. I love this. This is giving that techie vibe. Do you get? So well, this video is not supposed to be so long, so Like I always say, what you don't know is bigger than you, no matter how small that thing is. So again, break the sense from the nonsense. And if you find my video very helpful, please share, comment, and like. And also, please subscribe. Subscribe so I can be bringing good tutorials for you people. Oh. If not, go dey like that. So see you on my next tutorial video, guys. Ciao, ciao.